Tonight we're making Korean barbecue chicken and rice, and this is part of Hanging with Helen's Cook Club first recipe. Ingredients are all prepped, popping in my red cabbage. That's going to get roughly chopped and set aside. I've already cut up my carrots in my cutter. Pop some water into your bowl and in goes your basket to weigh your rice. Now I like to rinse my rice. The recipe doesn't say to do this, but I did. And I'm going to put some seasoning in there and now pop it onto steam. Did you know you can clip your basket in so it doesn't move around? Now measuring cup comes off and we are going to pop on our varoma with half the chicken in the dish, a little bit of seasoning and sesame oil, and then repeat the process with the next lot of chicken on top in the tray. Varoma lid goes on and on it goes to cook. Now halfway through you're going to set it aside. Your rice is ready after the 12 minutes. Take that out and pop that into the dish with your cabbage and your carrots. Some people have said that they like to cook a bit of their cabbage and their carrot or whatever veggies you're using. I didn't. I like the little bit of crunch. Pop your juices from the lid in the bowl and away you go for another 5 minutes. Now I put more chicken than normal, so I needed to go back a step and repeat and add a little bit of time, which you can do. You are still in control. Now the chicken's ready. It's going into the bowl with the rice and the veggies, and we're going to make our sauce. In goes the garlic, 2 cloves, tiniest bit of chili because, I don't love it. Some ginger. I'm using tamari instead of soy sauce. Some rice wine vinegar. Oh, Alice just likes to keep me company while we're cooking. A little bit of water, and in goes maple syrup. Instead of brown sugar, I prefer to use the maple. And on it goes to cook again. There's my sauce. I'm going to line my varoma tray now so I can put my omelette in the lid. Give it a little shake so that it evenly spreads out. Season it with some salt and pepper, and away it goes to cook with the sauce in the base. Now you just want to use your spatula to slice it up on top, and then we're going to put it all together. Bean sprouts, spinach, little bit of coriander, if you like that sort of thing. You can put whatever you like, and the sauce goes into the mixture. Now is the fun part. Oh, let's not forget the eggs. We're going to give it a nice big stir until it's all well combined. Alice is grabbing anything that falls on the floor, of course. And here we go. Look how much it makes. I'm topping with a bit of sesame seeds. I didn't have black, so I used normal chili. Not for me, for my hubby. I love it. But look at the presentation. The chili does make it look nice. It's so yummy, guys. You've got to try it. I very much enjoyed it. But remember, you've got to go rate your recipe after this. I gave it 4 stars. I'm going to pop it also into my collection of family favourites and take the bookmark off because I no longer need it to be bookmarked because I've already given it a go. It was great. I loved it. My hubby loved it. He went for seconds. You got to give it a try too.